Why'd you drop that cigarette in such a beautiful place like this? I don't care about the environment. You could burn that in forest, or that cigarette butt get eaten by an animal. An animal that ate it would die, like a rabbit or a bird. You could kill a lot of animals for doing that, or trash this beautiful place. I said I don't care. Don't like that cigarette. Why? You could burn that in forest, or that cigarette butt get eaten by an animal. And the animal that ate it would die again. There are a lot of things you can do. And smokers, if you smoke it, pick it back up.
Well, I do love animals. It'll be hard, but I'll try. I should stop smoking because I don't want to hurt any more animals.
No animals are harmed in the making, and real cigarettes were not in use. The real problem is polluting our environment and killing our animals and forests.